Richard, welcome to the house.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Is it a house? Yeah, you're in. You're live.
Awesome.
Is
Hey,
this thing on? This thing on? Where are you calling him from?
This is working. Chicago.
Chicago, Chi-Town.
Chicago.
All right. So for the audience, set the context. Who's Richard? Who do you serve? How do you serve them? And we'll get right into your section here.
Absolutely. I'm with Linux. We serve fleets for any company that has a large fleet offering video telematics and all-in-one system. Yeah.
Well, as in like
Vehicles.
vehicles. Okay, fleet
Vehicles.
vehicles.
Large fleets of vehicles.
Okay, so like delivery trucks, things like that.
Yep.
That's a good client. And then who within an organization do you typically reach out to when you're cold calling?
Fleet manager, safety manager, operations. Sometimes it can be anywhere from HR to IT.
Wow. All right. So it spins the gamut. For today's exercise, let's pick one of those. Who are we targeting? Just set some context.
Fleet
Based on
manager.
your message. What's that?
Fleet manager.
Fleet manager. All right. Sounds great. You've probably paid attention to the first few. Hopefully you were paying attention. Let's get right into it. I'll go first. Actually, let's swap it out here. Dave, you go first this time.
I don't know how you do this so much, Ryan. I'm trying to think of like new rebuttals. It's difficult. All right. So if anybody has any rebuttals they want me to go for, then definitely throw them in the chat as well. Hi, this is Dave.
Hey, Dave. This is Richard giving me a call from Linux. How you doing?
Yeah, not bad.
Great. Hey, I'm reaching out in regards to the safety of your fleet. Do you have a minute to chat?
Sure. Hit me.
Awesome. I'm hoping to learn a little bit more about the ways you guys are currently keeping up with the drivers to ensure they're adhering to your safety policies. Just wondering what type of technologies you're currently using in the fleet.
Hi, this is Dave.
Hey, Dave. This is Richard giving you a call from Linux. How you doing today?
Yeah, fine.
Good. Hey, I'm reaching out in regards to the safety of your fleet. We provide an all-in-one dash cam system that gives you the ability to monitor driver behaviors as well as the prevention and full understanding of what happens in the case of an accident. I'm wondering, what are you currently using in your fleet?
Sorry. Is this a cold call?
Yes.
Okay. Hi, this is Dave.
Hey, Dave. This is Richard. I'm giving you a call from Linux. How you doing?
Not bad, Richard. How are you?
I'm doing great. Hey, thanks for asking. I'm actually reaching out in regards to the safety of your fleet. I was hoping you had a minute to chat.
I could running into a meeting, Richard, but I could give you like 20 seconds.
Perfect. Yeah. We provide an all-in-one dash cam system that gives you the ability to monitor driver behaviors as well as prevention and full understanding of what happens in the case of an accident. Have you guys had any issues as far as fleet safety goes?
Hi, this is Dave.
Hey, Dave. This is Richard. I'm giving you a call from Linux. How you doing?
Yeah, good. I've just got the dog barking. I'm not gonna bark. Just two sets. All right. Hey, this is Dave.
Hey, Dave. This is Richard. I'm giving you a call from Linux. How you doing today?
Yeah, not bad.
Not bad. Good. Hey, so just real quick, context is a cold call. I'm reaching out in regards to the safety of your fleet. Do you have a minute to chat about that?
Yeah, sure.
Awesome.
Us here. How does that feel?
Good. This is quick, rapid succession, so it's a bit hard to gauge it, but yeah, it feels good.
Dave, what do you think? Your feedback first.
Yeah, so there's one main point that I live and die by. So I'm in how are you opener every single time. I really, really like it. But the reason the how are you opener is so effective for me is most people will just say good. But on the odd occasion when they say, how are you back? That's the first opportunity for me to humanize myself as a salesperson. I can almost guarantee that if they're saying, how are you back? They're not in a rush and they're ready for a conversation. And I'm going to take full advantage of that, right? I'm not saying it's going to work every single time, but like, I'm going to tell them exactly how I am. Right, like I'm sitting in sunny London, 30 degrees. It's never been this. It's 90 Fahrenheit. It never ever is like this. I'm giving them the full story just to humanize myself and build that rapport. That's going to give me the opportunity to have like a platform to build a much better conversation. So yeah, if you're a how are you opener, do it, but do it with conviction. Make sure you're using it to build rapport. That'd be my number one comment.
Awesome, thank you.
I loved the consistency. So clearly, I don't know if that's how you always do it, because you're doing the whole. If it's is that how you always do it, or did you learn from what we talked about earlier?
Generally, I go with the same thing. It's just easier to remember. That way, I'm not tripping up over my words.
Exactly. Consistency and confidence. So that's great. And what I also love is that you're moving into the next what we do with a nice, short, concise. This is what we do with a question. So really good job there. Let's get you back into there. I'll rapid fire a few and see if we can get deeper into the conversation. And we'll bring on our next right after that. I think we have enough for probably two more if you're in the backstage. So we'll try to get through at least two more after this, Richard. So hey, this is Ryan.
Hey, Ryan, this is Richard giving me a call from Lytics. How you doing today?
I'm doing well. How you doing, Richard?
Hey, I'm doing pretty good. Weather here in Chicago is good, and if it's not the winter, I'm living it up.
Chicago is cold in the winter, man.
And yeah, now I can get -20, so I'm enjoying the summer months while I can.
Coldest place I've ever been on the planet, man. It's
Hey,
cold.
speaking of cold, this is actually a cold call I'm giving you. So I'm kind of
Hey,
hoping
this
that
is
I
Ryan.
Hey, Ryan, this is Richard. I'm giving you a call from Lytics. How you doing today?
Oh my God, this is a cold call.
Yeah, it is, but I think that this might be something you might be interested in. Can I have a minute of your time?
You got a minute, man. What's up?
Okay. So just to make it quick for you, we provide an all-in-one dash cam system that gives you the ability to monitor driver behaviors as well as the prevention and full understanding of what happened in the case of an accident. I'm hoping to get an idea of
Hey, this is Ryan.
Hey, Ryan, this is Richard. I'm giving you a call from Lytics. How you doing today?
Richard, Lytics. Do I know you?
No, this is actually a cold call. I'm hoping that I can talk to you for a minute. Are you available?
No, man. Take me off your list.
Well,
Hey, this is Ryan.
Hey, Ryan, this is Richard giving you a call from Lytics. How you doing today?
I'm doing pretty good. How you been?
Hey, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking.
Oh man, I meant to give you a call back, Richard. I'm so sorry. I haven't gotten back to you.
Oh, awesome. So you got my email in regards to the fleet technology then. Do you have a chance to look over the video?
Fleet technology? No. What? Is this Richard Smith?
No, this is Richard Ambrose. I sent you an email the other day with some information. I'm just following up to see if you had a chance to look that over and get your thoughts.
No, dude. If this is a sales call, what do you want, man?
Hey, if I can have 30 seconds, I'll just give you the elevator pitch. If it's not something you're interested in, I can move on. You can move on. We provide an all-in-one dash cam system that gives you the ability to monitor driver behavior.
Hey, this is Ryan.
Hey, Ryan, this is Richard giving you a call from Lytics. How you doing today?
I'm doing pretty good. How you been, man?
Hey, I'm doing awesome. Thanks for asking. Hey, so I'll be straight with you. This is a cold call. I'm hoping to have about a minute of your time, just give you an idea of what we do. And if it's something you're interested in, that's great. We can chat a little bit more.
I always give people a chance. Yep. Give me. What do you got? What do you got?
Awesome. Hey, so we provide an all-in-one dash cam system that gives you the ability to monitor driver behaviors as well as the prevention, full understanding of what happened in an accident. I'm just trying to get an idea what happened the last time you guys had a wreck.
Let's stop. Richard, great job with your again. You're very consistent and there's confidence there. You also listened to Dave's feedback right away with building some rapport. In that note, your transition point. There's a tendency, I'm feeling this tendency of you wanting to run your agenda. So even in that where I'm still talking, don't rush it. Speaking of, you could just keep going, right? If you have a person who wants to talk, let them talk. At some point, they're probably gonna be like, okay, so what's up? Wait for that, right? Like you don't need to rush. What are you in a hurry for? The whole point of the cold call is to get into a conversation, right? And so don't rush it. And speaking of the rushing, you can hear that in your pitch. Once you get past that opener, try to slow down a little bit. It's going to feel a little bit awkward, but almost try to talk at half pace. You're pretty fast. I have that problem too. You can probably hear how excited I am in these sessions. I got to go. But when I cold call, if you listen to me cold calling, I'm very slow, very deliberate. And I work on that. It almost, for me, it feels really weird. But when I listen to my recordings, it almost sounds normal. But it feels weird. And I think you and I are similar in that way because we get excited and we like to talk. So to keep that in mind, right? The goal of this is a conversation. If you're in the conversation, have the conversation. One, and then two, slow down a little bit once you get that permission. There's no need to rush it, right? The faster you are, I can't hear some of the words. So if I can't hear what you're saying, which it's a cold call, I'm already on the fence, I'm going to have a hard time getting through to a completion. So, Dave, any feedback?
No, I agree completely, Ryan. When you get into it, it's really fast. And I think what it does, again, like I talked about humanizing, it doesn't make the prospect feel special or it just feels like another person on the list, right? And that's what we really want to try and avoid is kind of, we want to feel the prospect to feel like like we're calling them, they are the people that we're calling. That's why kind of, you know, if you find something, a little bit of personalization that you can throw in there to you know, obviously we talked about consistency, but if there's a bit of personalization that can help, then that's going to make them feel, you know, special and like we've called them for a reason. So but you know, generally, like agree, or definitely agree, Brian, like slowing it down is the first step.
Perfect.
Absolutely. Thanks for tuning in. Being a victim, I mean a guest here. It's not easy to do this in front of people. Great work, Richard. I'm excited to see how things go. Keep us posted on any results from the session. Great job.
Thank you.